Hello everyone, today I'm checking the oil catch can, Radium oil catch can, checking the level and then emptying it out. So these are the two can type of setup. I'll put the installation video in the description section, so if you need to, so if you want to take a look at it and do the install on your truck. So it's been about 4,000 miles since I checked it last time. Empty. So I'm gonna take it out. It's easier to get to the other can. Take a look at this one. I checked this one at so I checked both of them at 300 miles, and there was a little bit of oil in this one. This one was also empty back then. Yep, so this one got some oil, so maybe half a can. So gotta take this one up first to take the other can out. There you go. Now, so I got a measuring cup here. So a little bit over 2 ounces, or about 70 milliliter. And on the bottom of the can, I'm gonna clean that up and then put everything back together. So do this again at the next 5,000 miles. All right, that's it. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching.